All right, guys. So this video, we're just going to very quickly review how to compare green light fractions. Again, green light fractions have the same denominator. So you can see 4 6 and 2 6, they have the same denominator. They're both 6. Because the denominator is the same size, we're really just looking at the same size pieces for each fraction. So if I have 4 of these sixths and I have 2 of these sixths, clearly having 4 sixths is greater than 2 sixths, just like having 4 apples would be greater than having 2 apples. The mouth of the symbol always opens to the greater fraction. Here we're dealing with 2 twelfths and 5 twelfths. They're both twelfths, so they're the same thing. If I have 2 of these twelfths and I have 5 of these twelfths, I definitely have more if I have 5 of these twelfths. Next, green light fractions, 1/8 and 3/8 are green light fractions. If I have 1/8 and I have 3/8, clearly having 3/8 is greater than having 1/8, just like having 3 cookies is greater than having 1 cookie. Last but not least, 7/10 and 7/10, they are both the same denominator. I have 7 of each of them, and so these would be equal. So your next task is quite simple. Oh my goodness, let me find it. Yes, here it is. You are going to do the next activity, and it is just seeing that you understand how to do green light fractions that already have a common denominator. It says do a 1, 2, 3 check-in. Don't do a 1, 2, 3 check-in. That's silly. What you're going to do is you're going to look at the green light fractions. You're going to click and decide which symbol goes in the blank. The directions are very clear. When you finish this, you're going to come back into the Zoom meeting, check in with me. I will quickly check to make sure you're ready to move on and watch the quick yellow light fraction video. So that is your task. You got this. Green light fractions mean go.